In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Calendly embed code. Whether you're a business owner, a freelancer, or someone looking to simplify scheduling, embedding your Calendly events directly into your website can make the process seamless for your clients and visitors. It not only saves time, but also keeps everything organized in one place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to generate and embed your event code in just a few easy steps. If you don't already have a Calendly account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. Now let's dive in. First, head over to the Calendly homepage. This is your main hub for accessing your events, managing your account settings, and customizing your scheduling options. Once you're there, log into your Calendly account. Logging in ensures that you have access to all your events, and you'll be able to select the one you want to work with without any hiccups. Once you're logged in, take a moment to locate the specific event you'd like to embed on your website. Your events will be listed on your dashboard, so scroll through and find the one that fits your needs. Once you've identified it, look for the Share button right next to the event title. Clicking this button is where you'll find all the sharing options for your event. When the sharing menu opens, select the option labeled Add to Website. This is the feature that allows you to directly incorporate your Calendly event into your website's layout. It's a great way to ensure your clients or visitors can schedule directly with you without having to navigate away from your site. Next, you'll see several embedding styles to choose from. For this tutorial, we're going to focus on the Inline Embed option. The Inline Embed integrates the Calendly scheduling widget directly into your web page. This means it will appear as part of your site's content, creating a clean and professional look without opening a new window or redirecting users elsewhere. Keep in mind that this option is perfect if you want to maintain the flow and aesthetic of your website. Once you've selected the Inline Embed option, click Continue. Calendly will now generate the embed code for you. This code is what you'll need to add to your website to display the scheduling tool. Now, copy the embed code provided. Make sure you grab the entire code, as you'll need every part of it for the integration to work properly. Once you have it copied, head over to the HTML file of your website or your site's content management system, depending on how your website is set up. Paste the embed code directly into the HTML where you want the scheduling tool to appear. For example, if you want it on your homepage or a dedicated scheduling page, make sure you paste it into the appropriate section of your site's code. And that's it. By following these steps, your Calendly event will now be embedded on your website, allowing clients or users to schedule appointments without ever leaving your page. This not only makes the process faster and smoother for everyone involved, but also enhances the overall user experience by keeping everything in one place. So now you know exactly how to find your Calendly embed code and add it to your website. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll do my best to help. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.